So here we go. Status update. Heading out for a walk in the storm, because why not? And Maggie only gets about 2 minutes of being out here because it's too much, and then she goes back inside. We're getting a lot more snow. It's piling up. Maggie now has to hop around the snow. Oh, you poor thing. I know. I know. Ay, Maggie, that's a lot of snow and you can't see her legs. Oh, you poor thing. Maggie, I know. You poor thing. Alright, let's go inside. We're still gonna go and venture into this weather though.
The wind shifted.
We're heading back from our walk. That's our house. The neighbor. The trees. There's gonna be a lot of snow shoveling later.